Let's give it a minute. Everybody's going to realize what's going on. Okay.
But Riley says he could see me, so it's...
Okay. Now, let's do a quick poll. Is everybody using Google Chrome?
Yes.
Yes.
Is anyone not using Google Chrome?
Yeah, unfortunately, I'm on an Apple iPad.
Check.
Apple iPad. Okay, so iPad it's not loading at all for you, right?
Yeah, I'm actually on a grid. It looks like a grid, and I see a white circle spinning. And
Yes.
two screens in front of me. One says navigate, the other one says communicate.
Thank you. So it's going to stay that way forever. Are you on Safari?
Yeah.
Okay. So please get a Google Chrome.
Laptop.
No, get a Google Chrome, and
So
try with
there's a Google Chrome application on the iPad store, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go look for it. Thank you.
And actually if you can let us know. So who is that trying with the iPad? Who is that?
This is Julian.
Okay, Julian. Please let us know if it does work for you or not, because there is an issue with iOS, and that's why we say only use, laptop, desktop, or Oculus Quest.
Yeah,
Okay.
Let me go look for that. I'll be back in a second.
Okay. Take your time.
How do we turn around?
So,
I am on a Windows 10 system, but I'm running Edge on when I have another system that's got Chrome, and I'll be on that. But today I'm on Edge, but I see everybody. I see like 10 screens probably. Some have got video in them. Some are just white.
okay, hold on. I know what my situation is. Okay. Now let me confirm this. Everybody is logging in with their own account. Is anybody logging in with one of those demo accounts I was talking about? Scarlett, Paul.
No.
Okay, everybody use their own account, please. I'm gonna log out. See, this is the thing. For me also, I'm not seeing anyone, but it's most likely because I was logging with an account that somebody else is using somewhere. Remember, if you're logged on in another window or on another tab, it's gonna confuse the system, right? It's single user. You shouldn't be logging in with the same account different places. So, for example,
I'm just gonna offer.
Yeah,
I
go
was
ahead.
going to offer this. I came on, I saw nobody, and then I just saw one little thing out of the corner, barely. So I backed up, and I started seeing more, and I kept backing up. It's like when I came in, when I hit Start Ozone, it's like I jumped way in, and everybody was behind me.
Come back.
Yeah.
Okay. So for example, hold on. I see somebody moving. Who is this? You? Hold on. Who are you? Here we go. I see everyone now. Okay, Jody.
Yeah.
Jody, how are you?
Hi.
Guys, don't go anywhere. Stay here, please. Everybody stay
excited.
together. Yeah. Don't go
I got
anywhere.
excited too.
Come on back here. Don't go anywhere.
Okay.
All right. So let me clarify for everybody what's going down here. One moment. Let me share my screen.
Somebody's moving
Okay.
around.
So I want to get a confirmation now. I'm going to start sharing my screen. Okay, now everybody comes together here. Let's chill. Okay, let's come in a power circle, okay? Now,
Okay.
I'm gonna do a roll call. I need you guys to line up in a way if possible. Okay. Jody, come back over here, please.
I'm coming back.
Okay. So, okay, here we go. Perfect. So can everybody see my screen?
Yes.
On whereby?
I don't.
Yeah.
Whereby? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're all here. Now, I want to make sure that indeed we are all here. So what I'm going to ask everybody is to do the following. So listen carefully. On the bottom, on the top left, first mute the audio. There's the top left button. Go down, audio, ambiental, mute. Okay, so let's mute. Everybody mutes their audio so I don't have to yell.
I loaded the Chrome onto the iPad, and it does not work, by the way.
Yeah, it's an iOS issue, yeah. Thank you, yeah.
So which microphone do you want us to mute? In Weatherby?
Not the micro.
Weatherby?
So no. Okay, in the system, So now in the virtual world, on the top left, there is a button, which is this one. And it says audio. It's a menu button, right? Just a little gray dot button. And then you go audio.
Yep.
And it gives you, there's 4 channels of audio. So let me talk about this a little bit. You mute this one, the top one, called ambiental.
Ooh.
Okay, let me know, everybody, when you have your ambiental sound off, please.
Yep, it's off.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
cool. Now, guys,
I have mine off.
Thank you. So as the populations team, guys, and volunteers, and camp organizers, I need everybody to become really comfortable navigating this platform. Okay? So somebody earlier was like, how do I turn around? How do I do? Okay? Look, nothing is perfect. It's normal for you to be confused because it's a new user interface, okay? But still, you need to stop being that customer type person and understand you are now in the team. So you figure it out, you spend the time you need, you ask the questions you need, and you need to be a pro at navigating this by the event, which is in 6 days, okay? So all I want to hear is questions. I don't want to hear people complaining. How do I do this? How do I do this? I can't find that, okay? We need questions, answers, feedback, and requests. We don't want complaints, okay? Now, let's do a quick thing. Please, everybody, come with me. Let's line up on this wall here. Just do just like me. Come on to the edge of the scene here, okay? And turn around and just line up like this. And stand by.
I'll do that, Jay. I just still don't see anyone else in the world. It's just like I'm by myself.
That's fine. So that's fine. Don't worry. Just please do that. Everybody do this.
All I see is a bunch of blue glow.
Yeah, that's us. These are all us. So JD Jody is coming also on the edge. Everybody is figuring out their navigation. Great. Awesome. All right. So now, we're going to use each one of these players as a use case for what's going on. So Jody, she's going in slowly but surely. That's okay. Take your time. Look, today, look guys, seriously, you take the time you want to figure it out, but by Friday, everybody should be flying in here, okay? So some of us who've been spending some time here, we already know how this goes down. Some people who will walk in here for the first time because they are players and gamers like Nick here. Hey, Nick. Okay, they have no question whatsoever. You know, Jody, maybe you've never been in a game. Take your time. No worries.
Am I here? Am I here?
Yeah, Mr. Cummins, don't worry, you know?
I'm close.
Take your time. But just make sure you spend enough time to figure it out. Now, who is this? Uphold Creation, please come closer to please come closer to everybody else here. Okay, cool. Now, first test. So now, okay. So now, here's I want you guys to understand one thing. So everybody comes to whereby now. Everybody can stay there. Jody, please, no pictures, no sharing.
Okay, got it.
If you want to take pictures for your souvenir is fine, but no sharing, no social media, no this and that now, okay? We're going to start this soon. Same for Nick, same for everybody, guys, okay? This is not promotion now. We're going to start promotion in a few days. All right, so let me start. Okay, everybody takes their position. Make yourself comfortable. Okay, now, please, everybody, move from the tab in the world, come to whereby. I want you to see my screen on whereby, okay? So everybody should stop moving here and come to whereby.
Where's whereby?
All right, so as you see, we are gathered here today to celebrate life and figure out how the heck we're going to operate this to provide a great support experience and presence during this event. Okay, so what you notice, I want you to look at the screen here and notice a few things, okay? So the first one is Basil is still moving. Okay, so Basil. Okay, and here what you notice is a few of the screens are overlapping each other. Okay, so as operators and now part of the organization team, you want to be conscious of the space and how people see you or can see you. It's number one, right? So it has to do with spacing and, if you will, kind of personal space type concept. Number two, notice that here we have many use cases. We have this guy here, Namrandev. Okay, so Namrandev.
Yes, that's me.
Okay, has a problem. Okay, don't do anything. Okay, don't fix it. Keep it this way. Namrandev. Let me use this. So this tells you that he has his connection. He has a hardware connectivity issue. Most likely, he has multiple cameras and he's not selecting the right camera. Okay, I will go over how to troubleshoot this. You have this use case where you get a white screen, reflector. So reflector is not even connected. A white screen means connection failure. But the reason why the connection fails, and let me be very specific, guys, okay, and understand, you don't need to understand all the details, but let me be clarified here. The connection of the video and the audio. We can see him, he can see us, but he cannot see the cameras. Just as he looks white to me, we look white to him. Okay? So I need you guys to register this in your head now. This is very important. It is possible to see the avatar, but you cannot hear or see each other. That's the white screens. They are not connected. Over here, I have all the people who check off, all is perfect here, and then I have this black screen, which is Paul. So Paul, he's actually in, the connection is there, the stream is happening, he can hear us, I can hear him. But Paul, please turn on your camera.
Oh, it's I have an issue with hardware here. It's trying to load like a Unity camera instead of my physical camera. So it's something like.
Okay, so let me address this. First off, here I need to address a couple of things, guys. Very important for camps organizers as well as volunteers. Okay, but before I do that, let me do one final walkthrough on Whereby. Okay, I want to hear from all these Whereby beautiful people here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 18 people on the Whereby. Is there anybody who's connected now that is not lined up here?
I don't think I am.
Who is?
Scott.
Maybe your bro on the iPad thing.
I don't know.
No, Scott, on the iPad you are not in yet. Or did you change device?
I'm not on an iPad. I'm on a Mac.
You're logged in from a Mac, right?
Yep. And I see
Okay.
the world. And I see
Did you press the start button?
Yes.
And did you move?
I've been on the playa. I see all these blue globes. I see the transport. I see screens. I see some screens with...
You're over there. You're over there. Wait. Life Cube. You see me now?
Yeah, I see you. Okay.
You see me? Okay, please follow me behind you. Look behind you.
I see you on the WeChat. I didn't see you in...
No, come back here. Can you guys see him over there?
To turn around.
Can you guys... So here's the test. Can you guys see him over there?
Yep.
Okay.
I can't
So
see
Scott.
anyone, unfortunately.
Okay, so let's go to who... Let's start with the problem. Who is unable to see anyone?
Me. I can't see upload creation. I see on your screen that I'm there, but in my world, I don't see anyone else. It's like I'm by myself.
Thank you, Mark. Who else has this situation? Who else is by themselves?
I see nothing on the white screens on on medical.
Okay, so Mark is the only one who has this problem. Mark, go ahead and refresh, please.
No. I don't see it either. Mark
Okay.
is not the only one.
So look, Scott, please look at me over here. Can you see me?
Where do you want me to look? On the metaverse?
Just don't. I'm coming in. Okay. Okay, cool. So again, guys, anytime, Scott, go ahead and refresh, please. Just go ahead and refresh.
Okay, I rushed. Same thing. I'm by myself.
Okay. So are you logged in another account somewhere? No, here you are. Ahí está. You see me now?
I'm still by myself, but there might be a computer, but I don't think anyone else who is here right now is currently using my account.
So one thing you want to do when this happens, guys, there can be one of three things that are going on. The first one is that account is being registered or used on another tab. So maybe, Mark, you have a tab left open from last night or something, but just double check that. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Number two is your connection is failing. Okay? Now, everybody else, we can all see each other, right here? Everybody can see each other?
Yep.
No.
Right.
Well, it's right. I did have an Ozone tab open on my phone, so that might be where.
Ta-da! So now let's do that.
So
And
I'll
see-
delete all of them, and then I'll refresh and see if I can see you.
Okay, Life Cube, here we are. Scott. I could see you there. Are you there?
I'm here, but I don't know where I am.
Of course, because you are wandering over. Don't go anywhere. Come back where you were.
I don't know how to do
Just
that.
you went too far, Scott. Scott is wandering in the deep playa already. All right, guys. So now
He
let's
ate
try.
mushrooms earlier.
Let's try to wrap this up, guys, fairly quickly. But here, let's try to do one more thing, okay? Everybody, refresh. And those of you who blocked the camera or did not grant permission to the microphone and the camera, make sure you do that, okay? So everybody, Control-Shift-R.
So everybody's going to be one of these blue globes instead of an icon or an avatar?
Yeah, everyone should be a globe with a screen over top.
All right. So guys, notice that the audio, there is little audio bug. Don't worry about it. But notice one thing. And it's actually already solved. But right now, you have to move and start moving for the connection to connect. So when you log in, press W or A or S or D. There you go. Press W and move a little bit. And as you keep moving, the connection will take place. You have to understand, there is things that are happening even after you see the environment. There is still a few things that are happening. I'm actually trying to change that where once you anyways, but this is what's going on right now. Here you go. Namrandev got his video working. Hard Knocks, we can't see you. I repeat, anybody who's blocked their camera, you have to solve this. So,
Okay, my camera says it's on. Let me find you.
that's fine. Let me just address those. So I'm going to tell Hard Knocks, Basil, come to the side, please. Exactly. Basil. Valentina, come over here.
I don't see the rest of you yet, but you see me?
Yeah, Basil. Yeah. And okay, Valentina, you're good. Okay, all the connections are coming through now. Good. Okay.
Could it be a bandwidth issue from my end? Because I do have a low bandwidth.
Yes. Yes, the internet would make it longer to reconnect,
It was working earlier, I think. So it's just this connection where I am at the moment will not be where I am later, but it's slow here.
Yeah. So on the day of the experience, guys, here's a few tips I will give for low internet connection. Number
Can you
one.
see my camera? No.
Everybody's loud and cool. Nice. Guys, this is epic. You know, this is the first time we're actually stress testing this way. So thank you all for being here, taking the time. This is so cool. All right. So I'm going to say, okay, you guys see me, right? Can everybody see me here? I'm going to say right to the right and to the left, right? So to the right, for example, Valentina, go to the right, please, which is my right, which will be your left. Cummings, go to the right. Riley, go to the right. Jody, go to the right, which is your left, right? Yeah. There you go. Thank you. More. And the rest goes to Namran Dev to the left. Basil, please don't go too far. Here we go. Life Cube, please come back over here.
I don't know how to get there. It's not acting or reacting.
Yeah, so we're going to talk about this, but perfect. So Reflector, Dusk, Life Cube, Basil, you guys have an issue with the audio video. Here's what you do now. Look. If you look down, okay, let's all stop the audio first. Let's all stop the audio. Right? Because the audio, so we can hear each other.
You want us to start or stop audio?
Stop. So we can hear each other. Okay, Basil, your connection came through now. Your connection came through here.
My
But
camera
you're
was
screen
on
sharing.
before now.
So guys, here's what's going on now. I need everybody to pay attention. Okay? I know this is very new for everybody, but remember how I talked earlier about staggering our cameras over each other? For example, right now, Hard Knocks, you're hiding Judy. So you need to move to the right. So please, be conscious of your surroundings and providing room for others, right? There we go. Thank you. We have plenty of room. We can step out like this. Let's do a little powwow circle. Let's come in a circle, do a little powwow like this. Here we go. Here we go. So now, everybody, I need you to pay attention. So the way you move and the way you navigate here, there's only two things you do. There's WASD,
Why? What do you need?
which are the arrows.
What do you need?
Left, right, forward, backward. WASD.
We're up to 6 o'clock.
Or
We'll be
arrows, forward, backward, left, and right. Basil, and whoever is
The
reading
arrows
this,
work on a map.
we are still hearing you in the world, okay? Just be conscious.
Not a pleasant experience.
Okay, now, guys, listen. You look down. If you click and drag the camera down, can everybody look down and up okay? So you click your mouse and you drag. Can everybody look to the sky? Whoever is unable to look to the sky, please say so. Okay.
I used to be able to, but I can't now.
Okay. That's okay. So what you do is you click. There you go.
Yeah, I see.
So now, I need everybody to get comfortable and never ask again about moving the camera. The way you just looked at the sky is the only way you move the camera. Okay? So, thank you. So everybody starts rotating around. Let me see everybody look left and right, please. Look left, look right. Okay. Okay, perfect. Jody is not rotating yet.
I have a question.
Just
Yes,
rotate
I have a
first. Yeah.
question real quick.
Thank you. Let's finish, and then I'll
Yeah.
take the questions.
Okay.
Left and right, okay? Up and down. Everybody is comfy, right? Awesome.
Yes.
Now, when you look down, do you see a little wheel with the settings menu?
Yes.
Okay? Now, guys, don't click on stuff. Just click on that wheel one time. Okay? Now, everybody should have a circle menu pulled up. Okay. Who does not have the circle menu pulled up? Okay, everybody has it. Now, rotate, look left and right again. Keep the menu open and let me see everybody look left and right. Okay. Great. Now, if you go S, you go back. Press the S key. Back a little bit. See the menu follow you, right? Menu is following everybody. Good. Now you see those three little heads on top. If you hover over it in the menu, if you just put your icon over it, it will say leave chat. So everybody goes ahead and leave chat. Like I will do, my screen will go white. And everybody joins screen again. And everyone, leave chat so it becomes red. Good. Wait a second. Give it a moment. Now, take a breath and join chat again. Click again. Make it green. Now we wait. Wait. Here we go. There it comes. Okay. Okay. I see Paul. Okay, Paul is lagging. Here comes. I see Jody lagging. Paul, please move to the side a bit. Valentina, move to the side a bit. Great. When you freeze, refresh. Good. So Hard Knocks, this solved this for you. Basil, you're still black. Riley, you're golden, man. Okay, George, come in. Move to the side. Guys, try to scatter over. Basil, your screen is black. Okay, Namrandev, you're golden. Hard Knocks, you're golden. Cummins, you've been golden. Valentina, you're good. Okay, I have Nick Van Breda. Nick Van Breda and Paul, your screen is black. Thank you. Here we go. Paul, activate the camera.
I can't. I don't
You guys
have it streaming on my computer. Let me switch to my Mac.
Okay. So, Jody, did you re-click on the join chat? So those three little heads, guys, should be green. Okay. Marco, we're waiting on you. Basil, you can do that again.
I don't see anyone.
Jody, where are you?
Should I? Did you guys go inside the triangle?
No.
I don't
Look
see
behind
anyone.
you, Jody. Jody, come behind you. Okay, can you guys all see each other here?
No.
Yep.
I'm going to kick off. Thanks, guys. Good luck.
But you're all set, right?
I'm reloading.
George, you are golden. Thank you.
If I don't see anyone, should I reset again?
Yeah, refresh.
Hey Jay, I'm gonna hop off for now. I'm pretty
Yeah,
confident.
thank
with,
you. Yeah, Riley,
this.
you're good. Yeah,
Okay,
Riley,
awesome.
you're golden. Talk to you
Yeah,
later,
we'll
buddy.
talk
Thank
later.
you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm going to sign off too. I don't get it, and I'm just not going to worry about it. And thank you.
Who, George?
No, I hear you. I'm good. I think. I do have one question or a suggestion. When people say they can't see each other, I would suggest do a full 360 because that's what's happening. I think it's like you appear, but you appear so far away from everybody, and if you don't look behind you, they're standing right behind you sometimes. So just turn your camera 360, and you might find you're just standing in the wrong place. I'm just a suggestion. It's happened to me twice now.
Yes, sir, indeed. So right now, my only concern is those guys who are unable to get the camera going. Okay, but everybody is pretty much here. Yeah, everybody is here, guys.
I don't know why my camera's not working now. The screen share works fine. It shows my camera on, but it's not connecting. It's probably the lag.
No. So what's happening, Basil? Once you screen shared, you have to click leave chat, like I'm gonna do now.
Yeah.
And everybody goes white. You see, guys? It's for you to understand. If you're not connected here, it's what you're gonna get. All right. And when you click it, you have to wait. Once you click the join room, the join chat, you really have to wait a second here. Now I'm getting all of it coming through. So Marco, no, Riley left, that's fine. Refter, you're not getting your camera. I see everybody. So everybody is golden. Basil, you're golden. Only I have Lecter, Javi, Rabbit. So Javi Rabbit, click this button. Okay. And Reflector, anyway, so guys, that's pretty much it. So now for today, we're all here. So now, let's cover with you guys one very important feature, which is the teleport. So there is a diamond, which this is the only other thing you have to really get comfortable with. Place the diamond where you want in the playa, click and drag. Release the playa. So I put the diamond under the triangles. Let's meet under the rainbow triangles right here. Okay. So now I just came up here. So I teleported a couple of times in the playa. And this froze for me. Oh no, here we go. I have to wait.
It only lets me teleport a few times and then it stops.
Cool. Yeah, so this has to do with probably the computer performance. Now look, you see what happened to me here? If you come on Whereby, you'll see I just kind of somehow ended up under the floor. Okay?
I'm inside
Again,
the death zone, I think.
Anytime there is an issue with anything, guys, remember, refresh. So I'm going to do that. I'm having an issue now. Something happened. I'll go ahead and refresh. I'm going to stop sharing for a second. So the goal is to meet under the Rainbow Bridge.
Oh, and Jay, I got good news. I refresh and I can see everyone.
Awesome.
You guys see me? I think I'm down under the floor too.
Jay, I have a quick question. In the menu, when it shows video off, does that mean you cannot see my video? Or does that mean when you click it, you toggle it off?
Yes, it's the toggle off. Toggle.
So can you see mine now? I'm standing in front of you. And somehow I can't hear you talking on, you're muted somehow.
Sorry, yeah. Everybody is super excited here, going all over the place. Okay. Okay, guys, that's fine. Let's keep going down to center camp. Let's keep going through center camp into the camp. Okay, everybody is here. I see everyone. Okay, let's meet under the man, everyone. All right. Meet under the man, please. Yeah, stop the audio.
So are we supposed to then help everyone learn how to do this? Is that part of the volunteer job?
Yes. If you guys can stop the music, would be good. So Marco, here, I cannot see you now. So do that I told you. Click those three little heads, right, on the green menu. Leave and come back. So, not the avatars, the videos,
So
not the
basically,
people. So guys,
so
understand
everyone
again.
will have to go through the same process?
No. You can see the people's avatar, but you want to see the camera right now above the head. So, for example, JD Jodi, can you see me? Jedi Jody, can you see me, JD?
Yeah.
Can you see me, yeah? Hi, wave at me, please. Wave at me.
Yeah. I can see you.
Okay, hi,
Can you
Ego
see
Hard
me?
Knocks. Yeah, I can see you.
Is my camera on? I don't see you.
Okay.
I see others.
So, perfect. So,
Oh no, I see Maria. I see Maria.
so I'm Maria, by the way. FYI. Here's the question, Basil. Can you see the camera or can you just see the name?
I just see your name with a white screen at this point. I see Juliet, or I see Jedi.
Can you see her face?
I see her face on her screen, but everybody else is white.
Okay. A little bit of Twilio. No, hold on.
Yeah. So I can take off share and try again.
A moment.
I see you now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Froze, so I'm gonna restart.
No. So, guys, one reason you really want to have all those tabs closed up is because of that. Here we go. Marco, now I can see you. Everybody is live now. Here we go. Basil.
I'm under the Burning Man right now.
Now it's in front of you, right? That's what it is. That's fine. Oh, really? Okay. Okay, so guys, let's come together. Can anybody tell me if he sees any white screens here in this small group?
Hard Knocks is white and Uphold is white.
I can see Hard Knocks, but I can't see Nam and Dev. Can't read it.
I see everyone's.
I don't see Valentina.
I can see.
Okay.
Yeah, Namran Dev, that's me, Alex. But my video should be on.
Yeah, it's on. I'm Valentina. And I see someone else's video.
You can see everybody else's video, Valentine?
Yeah, I see everyone's video.
But not mine. Can you see me as Maria?
Yeah, I see yours.
You see my camera, but I cannot see yours.
Now someone blocked out. Who's that? Nam Randev?
Yeah, he whited out. Yeah, okay. So let me do one thing quickly as a test. Please not move anyone. Okay, here we go. Join chat again.
Your screen went white. Now it's loaded again.
Yeah, it's loading now. Here we go. Now, can everybody see me okay?
I can see you holding up your phone.
Yeah. So everybody is perfect now. We can all see each other. But, okay. Can anybody see a white screen anywhere now?
Reflector has white screen.
Hard Knocks has white screen.
Valentina has a white screen. For me.
George Cummings, do I have a white screen?
Okay, hold on. Let's start over, guys. Can anybody see a white screen? Basil, go. Who can you see with
Hard
a white
Knocks.
screen?
Hard Knocks.
You can see Hard Knocks with a white screen. Okay. Namra Dev, can you see anyone with a white screen?
I see Hard Knocks video.
Hard Knocks way over there has one. Do I have a video? Uphold Creation?
Yeah, where are you at, Mark?
I'm in front of Valentina and you. I'm walking in front of you now.
Yeah, I see your video.
Do I have a video? Okay.
Uphold Creation.
I have a video?
I'm not seeing you at all. Okay.
I'm standing in front of you, Maria.
You are or you're not? You are?
Yeah, I'm standing in front of you, Nozo.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. So
do I have a video or no?
Oh, now Nam Randev is black, white
yeah,
again.
November went out. Okay, he's back here. All right. So you guys do me a favor. Please just stay here. I'm going to refresh and come back. This is super helpful and very important. So I'm recording this for the engineering team. One moment, please.
Valentina, do I have a video on mine?
Oh, sorry, guys. I wasn't sharing. Oh, sorry, guys, for the whereby chat. I thought I was
Yeah,
finishing.
I see it.
Okay, my video is working. Okay.
Maria is white.
Yeah, so what again, yeah, when I sign off and reload, I will disappear shortly. One moment. Because I'm loading again. So now I should have disappeared, yeah?
No, you're still standing there, but with a white screen.
Okay, how about now? One moment.
I don't see you standing there anymore.
No, you disappeared. You're gone, Maria. Jay.
Yeah, and now your video's back on.
When you fresh, do you start in the same place? You can't start where you left off?
If we can start where you left off. It's yeah. Okay, here I go. Okay, so I'm back here.
I can see your video now.
Okay, can you see me now?
Yeah.
Okay, but Uphold, I cannot see you, Marco. Where are you?
It's wow.
Can you guys see
Marco? Uphold Creation.
Valentina, can you see him?
I'm in front of you now.
No.
I'm walking. Oh, so I'm like a ghost in the world.
Basil, can you see Uphold Creation?
I see Namran, I see Jedi, I see Hard Knocks. Hard Knocks is white. Valentina is
I'm
gray.
running circles around George Cummings.
I think you're Basil. Your name says Basil on top.
Yep. No, I'm Basil, and I don't see Uphold.
Oh,
Me as Uphold Creation, I'm running circles around George Cummings right now. No one can see me.
Where's George Cummings? George Cummings, where are you?
He's kind of in front of Valentina. I'm facing Valentina now.
Oh, you're
So no one can see me. I'm like a ghost then.
Hard Knocks is white,
yeah.
and here, I'm going to do something. I'm going to share my screen so you guys can see.
No, just refresh. Marco, just refresh.
Okay.
And we're almost done here, guys. We're almost done here. So here's the thing, and this is a tip for everyone, okay? Anytime somebody's having an issue...
Yeah, I can see Hard Knocks.
I see Hard Knocks. No, his screen is white, and Jedi is white now.
Yeah, Jedi's white.
Where is Jedi? Okay, so I'm not seeing Jedi.
Jedi's behind you, to your right.
Ah, there she is.
Do you see her?
What did you do now, Jody? Did you do anything?
Oh,
You know what I
I see
did?
her,
I
Carla.
clicked on another tab. Am I back?
So were you logged in another
I
tab?
clicked on another. Yeah, I was looking at the call tab. You see your screen.
So Jody, please just answer my question.
Am I back?
Did you have another tab of Ozone open? Yes or no?
what?
Yes?
Yeah.
You did. Okay, perfect. So now click those three little heads to join chat and leave chat that I showed earlier. So disconnect and reconnect.
Okay.
So guys, thank you. This is very critical information for my team. Because we need to, because when I tell them it didn't work for this person, it's not enough, right? So now I know Jody, it was her, she did something. Okay, so Jody, just wait. When you click on it, it should be, let me see. It should be leave chat so it becomes red and all the screen, and you wait a little bit, then you join chat and you wait. When it becomes green, you have to wait. Here we are. Okay, here we go.
Am I back?
Ish.
Yeah, I see Jody now.
Yeah, I see your screen is black.
Yeah, Jody, I can see you.
You see her? Okay. As a person. Ah, here she is. There we go. Perfect. Jody, you're back. Awesome. So Uphold Creation, Marco, where are you?
Yeah.
So I came back into the world, and I don't see everyone. I just see XR Labs, and I see Nick Van Baron.
Yeah, okay, so we are under the man, guys. Can you come under the man?
Okay. I see George Cummings making his way.
Paul, everybody come under the man. We've been under the man, guy. Okay, thank you. Nick is coming through.
I'm making my way. Okay, I see everyone. Cool.
Everybody is golden. Mark,
I'm here now.
Paul, and Mark and Cummings, if you can make your way down here as well. And we
Can you
should be
see
done.
my video?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Uphold Creations of white screen.
For your Uphold Creation is a white screen?
Yeah.
Nick is white for me. Nick is white. So is Uphold. So is Hard Knocks, but I see them now.
I see everyone except for Uphold.
So, Jay, I have a question. If I turn off my multiplayer audio, does that mean I just cannot hear people, or can people not hear me as well?
It's both.
Okay, so got it. So it's muting myself if I turn off multiplayer.
No. Sorry, so I thought you were talking about disconnection. No, the mute is only for your microphone.
Okay, so how do I mute my mic in Ozone?
Yeah, sorry. So you mute your mic here.
Okay.
Mic off.
Okay.
Or this mic off.
Okay, so if I keep multiplayer on, the audio, I can hear everyone, but I turn my mic off, then no one can hear me. Okay.
That's correct. He's referring to this. All right, guys. So it's looking here pretty good. Paul and George. Paul, are you coming in to finish up here? I think we're pretty much completed for today, guys. So I invite everybody to spend some more time on your own here or with other friends, but you just want to get pretty comfortable and understand the following. You want to understand, number one, how to make sure your machine is running decently. Now, don't have a million tabs. Close the Photoshops and the other app. Turn your computer off. Give it a hug, and then start it back up again. And only launch the Ozone app while you're running. In addition, update your GPU drivers and make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome. So you come here, and you go to Help, and you go About Google Chrome. And you make sure you're running the Sorry, let me take this off.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Make sure we'll catch up on Friday again, okay? But this is it. Make sure you run the last Chrome.
Okay. All right.
Make sure you. Thank you. Let me close this out.
Do we chat again the same way on Friday?
So Friday is the last opportunity for any last questions or tune-ups. The main thing I would say is make sure that you spend time to get comfortable with the platform. The menu, there will be a whole new menu by the end of today. So by tomorrow, you'll be able to see a whole new menu.
I have a question, guys.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Is there a way to do a video capture on the screen so we could really easily show people how to maneuver through here? Is there like a way, how do you do video capture on a screen? Is that possible?
QuickTime. Just QuickTime screen capture. You can do that. If you're on an Apple, just use
I've never done it before.
Well, somebody
QuickTime
on a
screen
could
capture?
do it. You just QuickTime, capture screen, recording, click enter, full screen, go into the world.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also,
will it record my voiceover as well?
Yeah.
My recommendation. So I would say first just do screen record and go through the process of that. Then record, then it can be chopped down quicker, and then you can do a voiceover so the whole thing is only like a few minutes long.
Yeah, I might be able to do something like that. I mean, I could try. Just because I think this is so great, it's just that, there are little things that if people could just understand very easily what to do before they even get on and watch it, 1 to 2 minutes, like you said, and then they actually know, like you might have to refresh or, look for the gemstone and you can teleport yourself. Those very easy things.
That's great.
Just the video in advance would be very helpful.
Thank you, Jody. And we are working on that. I think Maria has probably a first draft ready. We want to implement that with the final user interface, like the stuff I showed you today. Like some of the stuff actually will be removed because we're going to consolidate a much simpler user interface, and everything will be on the top left side, if you will. But yeah, so Jody, yes, we're working on it. We're also going to have posters. So let me finish this up actually for the volunteers. So volunteer, share my screen, come up here. I know this is spanning a little bit longer than we wanted, but I think after today, everybody should leave feeling really good about how to use the platform. Let me say one thing, guys. And this is the most, I'll just, okay, it's a couple more minutes and let's wrap this up, okay? And we can continue on small one-on-one chats and everything. The number one most important thing, guys, is you have to really understand the limitations of your setup, your computer, your internet, your house before the event. We can't help you with that. We really can't. Because, for example, for me, with my machine right now, I have some limitations. Okay, so what it means? It means once I know my limitations, I know that when I'm going to slide here, I know I have to wait before I slide. And when I first slide, it will take a moment. Okay? Let me give you guys another tip. This is technical, but it will help you guys out for those of us who have like lower machines. So look, when I'm moving, you can feel, I can feel on my computer, there is a little bit of a lag, you know? You probably can see it if you see my screen on Whereby. Why? It has nothing to do with the application. It's my computer that's limited. Now, yes, it has to do with the application because it's a 3D graphics application. So what's the hack? The hack is basically look down. And now it's moving much faster. Why? Because I'm rendering much less.
Yeah, makes sense.
It's the camera. What I'm seeing is what I have to render. When I move this, there is thousands and tens of thousands of triangles here, which are being adjusted 60 times every second. Trying to be refreshed 60 times a second. If it's too much for my machine, I can just look down, or even better, I look up. Here I'm look. Here like nothing. You can slowly see it, right? I can see it smooth coming. There's no jitter. You see how that comes in smoothly? Smooth. If I look down, here it starts jittering down. Here it's blocking. Why? Because too much more to watch. So this is for you guys. If during the event or any moment, you know, not everybody has a supercomputer or a super internet. But the real shortcut is just teleport. The teleport really gets you over much faster. And here I'm, I think, coming back to my powwow. Cool. Thank you guys for sticking around here. Look, everybody is still here. Awesome.
Yeah, which user are you using right now for the screen share?
Which what?
Which user are you screen sharing with?
Maria.
Oh, because to me it looks like you're standing here the whole time. That's interesting.
No, but I'm back now. Can you see me now?
Yeah, but the whole time we were screen sharing running around, it was still showing you standing in a circle.
Not the whole time. In the beginning. Until I reload in the scene. Yes, I know. That's a known issue, but that's okay. That's not too big of a deal. That's a minor thing. So basically, this is a small known bug. It's not affecting anything. But fundamentally, guys, this is it for today. This worked out pretty good. For the volunteers, let me explain one thing. Basically, volunteers, the experience of the users will begin at Center Camp, okay? So they will start here. So this is our volunteer post. I'm really hoping we can get some more stuff from Infoplaya to put on here. But basically, and to answer your question, Jody, all the orientation will happen here. So here we're going to have posters.
Set the start drop zone as this place right here?
Yeah, so the drop zone will be here. So there is an intro. There is an intro, then you dropped off here. So us as volunteers, the volunteer show up time, whenever your schedule is, you show up here. you post like this. You just hang out right there. Okay? And all the new users will be popping up here. So Jody, do we have to explain and show everybody every time? No. There's only 2 questions. Is, hey, welcome, to MetaBurn. Are you a first-time burner? Or, and they're like, oh yeah, I'm a burner. I've been burning for so many years.
I called him like that.
Then we say, awesome. We have an exhibit right here about all the principles and what Burning Man is all about. This is going on right here. Some posters. And then the second question is, are you comfortable with navigation? And then some of them will be like, yeah, man, I got this. I'm flipping up. They'll start to do backflips. And then you're like, awesome, great. Have a good time. Come back here if you have any questions or ask any of the... Feel free to ask anyone or come back here. Okay. If they don't know how to navigate, they're like, I don't know. You're like, no problem. So you move the camera by click and drag. Try to look left and right, click and drag, like I did with you guys. Okay. Then you can navigate using WASD, left and right. You have them press W. So you just tell them press W, press W, press S, press right, press D. Good. And now teleport. The last thing is the teleport. So look towards center cap, place your crystal, and click on it to teleport, right? And once they come here one time, what you will do, we're going to have here for you a poster that shows navigation. So all you have to do is enable them to teleport here and show them the poster for navigation. And that's it, you're done. Okay, so the interaction with each person should literally be under 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute, tops. Okay, and if you sit here at one time, let me address this concern. If you sit over here, and at one moment you start getting too many people showing up at the same time, right? All you have to do is you have to start back from scratch, Think of it like, I'm going to stop sharing here. We're pretty much done. Think of it like, when you go to, let me refresh 1 sec. All right. All right, guys, to wrap it up, thank you everybody for your time and sticking around. This is awesome, I really appreciate everybody's dedication and time. This speaks volume. But regarding the volunteers, just think of yourself like a cast member at Disney. That's the best way I would say, which I was a proud member of back in 2002 when I did the Disney University. So what is it? You are there to just support people's experience. Give them instructions. If there's one person hanging out that wants to engage in conversation, you can. But if you start having 10, 20, 30 people showing up every 5 minutes, right? That's not going to work. So therefore, you want to be ready to do what's called broadcasting. So broadcasting is basically what I've been doing during this whole event since we've been doing this training. You just talk to an audience, and once in a while, you touch up on people, on special people, and you actually name them to make them engage and eventually have them do some things, right? And you look for the problems, right? So if you notice, during the call and I was doing the orientation, Riley and Vanessa, I think, I barely even talked to because they got it. The camera is working. They have no problem. They're able to navigate. When I say, okay, move left, move right, they move right, they get it. So then I have to pay attention to those who have a problem, right? So as volunteers during this event and captains, we are looking for problems to solve. Okay, and let me just leave on this and we'll do the final wrap up on Friday. So what we're looking for is problems to solve. The only way you can solve somebody's problem is if you know what a problem is and what the solution to the problem is, of which today we've covered about 90%. Okay? So guys, please take back everything we got on this call and do spend a little bit of time. Okay? I want to highlight this very importantly. If some of you don't have an account created yet, that's no bueno. Go ahead and create it right away. If some of you have never been inside the world and done some of the stuff we've done now, this is the time to do it. if some people have not been on the call today or Tuesday or Monday. So Maria is still here. Is Maria still here? Ashley still here?
Maria had to leave. I don't know if Ashley's here.
Okay, but Red, you're here, so I was gonna back to you. So what we need to do now, we need to go back and look at our volunteers. For example, Mr. Cummings has come both days, right? Basil has come both days. Marco has come both days. Harmonize Humanity has had people here both days. So those who have come Monday and Tuesday, Smiley has been here. Those we know, okay, they are golden. They're good. We have to focus now on those who have not come in, who have not registered, who are not ready to roll yet. Okay? And let's help them on a one-on-one basis today, tomorrow. So on Friday, we get everybody here. And today, guys, was great. We had about like 15, almost 20, I think, connected.
Yeah, there was 20 at one time.
Thank you. We have to increase that number, guys. We have to increase that number. We have to push it over 50 on Friday for sure. So your homework and assignment and your next steps are talk to your people if you're a camp organizer and get your act together. If you're a volunteer, make sure you get together with the platform. You really understand it. Be on the lookout for a short script you will receive by the end of today. Create your accounts and spend time on your own getting familiar with the platform. Different people have different setups. They have different computers. They have different times to try and be comfortable, you know? So just make sure before Friday, you go in, you review the stuff, make sure your browser is up to date, do everything we go through, and go around the worlds. Just go in, explore the different worlds, you know? And then lastly, see you guys back on Friday, okay?
How do we go to the other world? Shit.
Okay, well, let's do something fun since everybody is here. Is Marco still here? Marco from Onward, are you still here? I think maybe I've stepped out. Yes, I mean, how do you go to the other worlds? It's very simple. Once you go to the man and the camp, you just enter the different camps, you know? Let's save time. I'm not going to go in the camps now. So everybody can go roam around, go to different camp, click on the camp name, a number in this case, and I'll see you guys on Friday, okay?
Okay, you answered the question. We just click on the camp name. Okay.
Yeah, where it says Camp 1, Camp 2, Camp 3. All right?
Right.
Okay, guys, Red, any concluding comment, please, before we hop off this? Scarlett, you want to conclude with something?
So I was curious how DJs can play music in the space.
So, Nick, thank you. The DJ and the media content is handled via the camp organizers. Anybody who has any content can provide via Twitch link. At this point, we can feature anyone and anything on using the host system. So all we need to receive is a Twitch URL and time, and we will do our best to feature those artists and submissions and speakers, you know, and host them during the week, and mostly during the event, the weekend, I mean. So if you have something in mind, let's make sure you get us that Twitch URL. Okay. Thank you for that question. It's a great question. Any other questions, guys?
So they have in a normal way, like on their PC to Twitch, not on Ozone, on Metaburn, and then to Twitch.
Sorry, say that one more time.
So you can also live stream your screen as a DJ, but you're not asking DJs to do so. So you're now doing it as an organizer for them while they are doing it externally on Twitch.
Yes, so the Twitch setup, for it to be broadcasted to everybody, like currently, just to make sure it's working perfect, we're going to handle it this way. So it's hard-coded in. We have Twitch channels which are hard-coded into each environment. And so we're not changing the channel. We're changing the content of the channel. And that's where the production comes in. So,
All right.
so short version is nobody has to worry about anything yet. They just have to provide the Twitch streams, and we'll broadcast it at the right time. And